Do you know that apple is a great first food for your 6-month-old baby? If you want to see how I made this apple puree for a baby, keep watching. What you need is a medium-sized apple, at least just for a probably breakfast, lunch, or anything. But take note that you can actually make this in large quantity because it's safe for you to store it in the fridge. So whenever your baby wants to eat, you can just defrost it, warm it a little bit, and then give it to him or her to eat. But make sure that you remove the back and the seeds inside. So after doing that, I went ahead to cut it into smaller chunks. After cutting it into smaller chunks, I washed it and then cook it. So there are two ways you can cook this. You can actually cook it, that's cook it in water, or you can steam it. Whichever way is okay, but make sure that you cook it or you steam it properly. So after that, after about 5 minutes, I checked it. The apple is tender. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it aside, allow it to cool down. Allow it to cool down. Then you can go ahead and blend it. You can see this is the apple and this is the water. So I'm going to use the water, a little part of the water, to blend the apple. Make sure you blend the apple properly. Blend it very, very well so that it doesn't choke your baby. Blend it into a puree very, very well. Make sure you blend it. So you can see how our apple puree looks like. So the next thing is just go ahead and turn it into a plate. That's the plate you normally, or cup you normally feed your baby with. So after that, you can decide to add breast milk or formula milk. It's optional, breast milk or formula milk. But please take note that the ones you store in the fridge, you do not add the milk, then store it in the fridge. No, when you need to add the milk is after you've defrosted it, warm it, and then you add the milk. So take note. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like and share with your friends. Till I come your way next time with another interesting video. Do have a lovely, lovely day. Bye bye.